Hi, Tabidi. Where are you going? Yeah, where are we going? You have your purse and your stroller, and where are you going?
I need color.
You need to color?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's color.
You're gonna go color?
Let's color, Daddy.
Oh, I'll color with you?
Yes.